Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to activate earthquake alert on your Android device in a quick, simple, and easy to follow way. Here's what we will go through step by step. Number 1. Open Settings. Number 2. Go to Security and Location. Number 3. Find Earthquake Alerts. Number 4. Enable Alerts. Let us get started. Step number 1. Open Settings. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to your home screen. Look for the Settings app. It usually has a gear icon, and tap to open it. This is where you can control and customize most features on your device. Step number 2. Go to Security and Location. Once you are inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Security and Location. Tap on Location and toggle it on. You can now access features related to your personal safety, location services, and emergency alerts. Step number 3. Find Earthquake Alerts. Inside the Location section, look for Earthquake Alerts. Tap on it to open the settings for this feature. Step number 4. Enable Earthquake Alerts. You should now see a toggle switch on your screen. Tap the toggle to turn on Earthquake Alerts on. Once enabled, your phone will notify you about nearby earthquake activity in real time. Here's a demo of how your Android alerts you. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, availability of earthquake alerts may vary depending on your region and device compatibility. Make sure your location services are turned on for the feature to work properly. And that's it. You have successfully turned on earthquake alerts on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical Android tutorials. If you have any questions in mind, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.